everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, so glad to have you. So today is Tuesday. It feels kind of like a Monday for me. Been kind of busy since I woke up this morning, but that's okay. Now it's time to relax, do a IPSY unboxing with you guys, or unbagging. IPSY is $10 a month. You get 5 to 6 sample size beauty products, anywhere between hair care, skin care, and makeup. And I think you sometimes get a little perfume sample sometimes. So we're going to go ahead, get right on into this beautiful pink bag. How are you guys doing today? Hope everybody is having a fantastic day. Everything is going smoothly in your life. Boy, they don't make this easy to get into, do they? They want you to work for it. All right, did we get a little card? Not on the outside. So here is the bag for January. Not my favorite, but it's cute. It's nice cloth, you know, so it's okay. It's okay. I think after I got that gold sequin bag last month, I got kind of spoiled, so yeah. But anyway, it's all right. All right, so here's the card with those 3 beautiful ladies on it. It tells you a little bit, what does it say? New year, more products, more focus on you. Okay, I am happy with that. And on the back, it just basically, it says, welcome to our best year yet. We've got big changes coming your way. Here's a sneak peek at what 2019 has in store. So it's going to be fab new features, new ways to personalize pics, more beauty brands that you love, and insider tips and techniques. Nice. Okay. We can all appreciate that, right? All right, so I'm just going to go right in because it's like Christmas here. You know, when I get a bag or a box, I don't waste any time. All right, so first thing I see is the Crystal in Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles, Seraphine Botanicals. Okay, so that's what the little box looks like. Let's open it up. Ooh, I get so excited. It's like, I don't know. All right. Oh yeah, look at that color. Some gold. Looks almost like a golden pinky champagne kind of color. Very pretty. Let's see if it has a, okay, it doesn't, so let me pour some out here, maybe I will. Oh, it does have one of those little films over top of it, and you know my nails does not hardly allow me to do much with that. All right. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, so that's what it looks like, and that is just like a loose pigment. That'll look very pretty in the eyes. Very pretty. All right, all right. Next thing we got is the I Do Liquid Liner from IPSY. All right, and it looks like it's probably in a black. I love the IPSY liners. There is the tip, very nice, like a felt tip. Let me see if I can do it right here for you. Oh yeah. The IPSY liners, I think, are some of the best. I love the IPSY liners. All right. All right. Did you guys get your IPSY bags yet this month? I feel like mine's kind of late this month. Feels like I should have had it a lot sooner than now. All right. So now we have the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. Now, the last time that IPSY sent me foundation, it was in my color. It was wonderful. This is safety seal, by the way. It was wonderful. It matched my skin. I think it was the Makeup Forever foundation. So I don't hate getting foundations in my boxes or bags, because that's how sometimes you can find a really good foundation. So there it is. And looks a little dark and yellow-ish for me, but I will definitely try it anyway, because we know hand swatches don't always tell us exactly what it really looks like. So I will definitely try this out anyway, but there it is again. All right, next we have, what is it? What is it? Turn it around. It is Lip Allure, I think I'm saying that right, by Bell in Abgent. Oh my goodness, guys. I probably just butchered that. Don't hate me if I did. I'm not the best with names, but it looks like it's in Bored Now shade. So let's open it up. Looks like a nude. It's going to be a nude lip, which I love nude lips. I love nude shadows. I'm just that girl. Look at that packaging. How cute. How cute is that? I love it. It looks like, let me see here. Oh, that's a lip gloss. That is definitely a lip gloss and not a lip color. Not bad. Okay, let me just pop some over top of this lipstick I have on. It has a little bit of stickiness to it, but that's not a deal breaker. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad. I don't hate it. It doesn't, it's not the worst. And finally, I have the Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. There it is. Let me smell it. I always like to I don't like to spray it out and waste the product. It has a very, very light fragrance, so if you don't like a heavy fragrance in your hair, you will like this because it does not have that much of a fragrance. So, let's see. It's a leave-in conditioner with keratin. So, you just spray it on damp hair and work it through. Like you guys know, I like anything that helps me with my frizz because I have curly hair. So anyway, there's my IPSY bag. It feels like I blew right through it. Anyway, that's the IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. If you did, please see the other links in the bottom in the description box. I'll leave some of the other videos that I have on. I'm having a hard time today, guys. I cannot talk to save myself. But I'll have other videos of mine linked in the description box if you want to check them out. I also have that giveaway going on. Check that video out. You get a chance to win that $25 Sephora gift card. Who doesn't love Sephora? All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay beautiful. Bye.